Okay. Hi everybody, we're going to take a look at this Thunderbird, and my father-in-law Dave is going to describe what this car is. And we're going to start right here at the windshield and take a look at everything. So Dave, what size motor did this come with? It's a V8, right?
Yeah, it's a 245 horse, 312V Y block.
Okay. And it looks like it's got some pretty fancy chrome things in the motor here. Have you done anything with it? Or?
It's a stock dress-up kit.
Okay. And I assume that this car is probably drivable on the street.
Yep.
It's all titled and has been licensed.
Yep.
Pretty color. What kind of paint is on here? Is it
Goddamn.
enamel or
No, it's your
lacquer?
thing. Your thing.
Urethane?
Yeah, it's not the original color. The original color is supposed to be willow green.
Okay. Let me see here. We'll open the door. Be able to show this inside a little bit. And the top is detachable, right?
Yes.
Okay, it looks like the interior is pretty nice. Did you redo that?
Yeah, but it's not stock. New carpet.
Okay. So coming back here, looking in the trunk, it's all been redone. And the tail lights and the stuff here, the bumper's got the exhaust in it.
It's all stock. It's all stock and old chrome.
Okay. So, do you have the key to this? Well, let's just give it a start. Come on around here, and you want to pop the hood again?
Two-handed operation.
So, why don't you come around here, and we'll go start the motor so we can hear it run. Take a look at the motor running. Listen to it a little bit. Would you like to rev the motor just a little bit? Sounds pretty healthy. What year was this, Subaru? 57. 57. Okay. Well, folks, that pretty well concludes what we're going to do about demonstrating this car. But if you have any questions or anything that you'd like to do, I'll list my email, and you can get back to me, and we'll coordinate on a time that you can come out and take a look at it. We'll talk about anything other parts development of the car, and be able to provide as much information as you can. Thank you for your attention.